Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing some pillow covers. These are the 18-inch by 18-inch pillow covers. You can see my living room is full of gray couches with gray pillows. So thought these would add some nice variety, color to the room. So let's open these up. So this comes with two covers in it. And yeah, so this is like a pretty smooth, they're actually really soft. Almost like a canvas color. Get up close here so you can see this coloring. A little bit of a texture, but it's actually a really soft, smooth feeling. Because even these look nice, but they are kind of like a rougher texture. Yeah, so I'm going to slip these over top. Try them out. Let's see here. So, alright, one side does have a zipper. That actually went on a lot easier than I was expecting. There, you can see that. Actually looks really nice. Oh yeah, really comfortable. Let's do one more. All right, there's the second one. One thing I like, especially about this zipper, is you can't even see the zipper once you zip it. It's like hidden inside the seam, so it matches every other edge. That's why I had a little trouble even finding the zipper in the beginning there. So you finally find this little piece here. But yeah, so that's nice. You can take them off to clean them. But yeah, you can see they look nice. They actually match pretty well. I think my wife will be pretty excited to see these when she gets home. So I guess until then, I'll just take a nap. Thanks for watching. Just kidding, I got a lot of stuff to do.